Hey guys, welcome back to Genius Recipes. I'm Trudy, and today we're gonna be making a 24-hour flu and cold cocktail. So it's flu season, it's cold season. I've been hearing so many people, clients, friends, family, people on Instagram, people on Twitter, people on Facebook, people in my circle, everybody's sick or just dealing with some type of virus, whether it be a stomach bug or a actual cold or flu. So this is the perfect time, I figured, to share this flu cocktail. Now I have to say I am not a doctor. I cannot cure you. However, this is something I've been using for the last 10 years. To be honest, I haven't really been sick that much since going plant-based in 2016, but this flu cocktail, when I did get sick a lot, would be the savior. Okay, so if you wanna learn how to make this, stay tuned. So the ingredients that are in this flu cocktail is some garlic, so 2 cloves of garlic peeled. And we're gonna use a bunch of ginger. I would say this is about 3 tablespoons. By the way, all the information for the ingredients and instructions will be linked in the description box below over at thegeniuslife.com blog. But yeah, today I'm using 3 tablespoons of ginger, but I would say maybe 2 is good enough for just your average person. We're also gonna be using a full lemon, including the skin. So the peel is also gonna be in there as well. We're also gonna be using some organic cayenne pepper and some water from the kettle. And if you have some local honey, feel free to use that as well. So you're gonna get a garlic press, and I just recently got a garlic press, like just within the last 6 months. So, if you don't have one of these, that's fine. You can always just crush the garlic with the side of your knife. And that'll work just fine, and just kind of like roughly chop it. But if you do, then go ahead and crush the garlic like that. And just get all that out. And this really releases all of that good antimicrobial properties that are in the garlic. And this is gonna really help you to fight the mucus that is building up either in your sinuses or in your nose, your throat. And also it'll help to shorten the cold or flu. So I'm just right now grabbing the garlic and just making sure I get everything out of that garlic press. It's nice to just give it a little chop, put it into the pot. Now we're going to grate some ginger. So I'm just gonna use the big side, and I've already washed this. You don't have to peel it, just go ahead and grate it once it's all washed. Ginger is a really good anti-inflammatory, so it is really going to help you, again, to open up the lungs and help the sinuses to release all that mucus that's building up. But it's also a stimulating diaphoretic, which means that if you have a fever, it's really good at warming up the body from the inside out. So if you have like the chills, you're just feeling like super cold and it's actually not that cold, the ginger is really gonna help you warm up. All right, so now we're gonna get our lemon. Just go ahead and release the juices by rolling your lemon. Cut it in half. It's a pretty big lemon, so I'm gonna cut it into 4. And go ahead and get your lemon press or lime press. Of course, the lemon is packed with vitamin C. I'm actually gonna go ahead and add my water right now. Put the lemon skin inside of the tea. And the reason why we put the lemon peels inside of the pot is because lemon and even lime, they have essential oils inside of the skin. So the skin actually has the majority of the vitamin C. So you really wanna boil that vitamin C infuse it into the cocktail, and that's gonna help you beat the cold or the flu. So now we're going to add some cayenne pepper. You just want about, I would say, 1/4 teaspoon. So if you're making this for a pitta person, someone that is more of a fiery nature, you wanna put a little bit less ginger and less cayenne. Now, if you have the honey, you would go ahead and add it here and just cover. I have about 1.5 cups of water in there right now. It's boiling pretty high, so I'm just gonna add a tidge more because it will reduce. and then just go ahead and cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes cooking, so it's time to strain off our Flu cocktail and store it. So I just grabbed a glass jar, and if you're gonna drink it right now, you can just use a mug, of course, but I'm not gonna be drinking it right now. So just going to get a tea strainer, and we're going to just pour the contents of the pot into this jar. And by the way, the reason why we use cayenne pepper specifically is because it has something called capsicum in it that really helps to loosen the mucus in the sinuses and the nose, all throughout, the ear, nose, and throat. And that helps it liquefies the mucus so that you can easily get rid of it. So these are the contents of our tea. The garlic is looking quite blue, and that happens when you boil garlic or you cook garlic sometimes. And then the ginger is inside of the strainer as well. So you can boil it with a little bit of water and get some more out of this. But this is awesome to just drink throughout the day. You can drink it pretty much as you would drink water or as you would drink any other tea. And this is really going to help you feel a lot better. So if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about anything in this video. And don't forget, we are going to be posting a Genius Life video that includes all the different things you can do to keep your immune system strong so you don't even get the cold or the flu or anything like that during this flu season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.